Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some super bright portable survival lanterns. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some survival lanterns or camping lanterns or storm lanterns or whatever you want to call it from the company Vont. And you know, these are very important when there's a power outage or when you're out in public or when you're out in the wilderness and you don't have any lights. You know, this is something that I do recommend every household to have because you never know when the power or the light goes out and you can't see around. You know, when hurricanes happen, when thunderstorms happen, when all sorts of different weather events happen, there's the potential of the power going out. And having something like this around can save your life and also make that time of you not, being able to see anything a lot more easier to manage and go through. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this camping lantern after we are done with this video, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. Make sure you guys do leave a like if you do enjoy this video, as it informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are still enjoying this tech series, follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with us, or if you guys need any photo assistance, you guys can do so by contact me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or actually get more information about this product, the product information and also a link to purchase this product will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information alongside the purchase link. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So, as you guys can see, the packaging of this camping lantern or survival lantern is fairly simple. As I spin it around, you guys can see it's just like a simple cardboard box, but there is a few specifications and details which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So on the front of the box, it just says Vont, and this is a camping lantern. I did forget to mention this is actually a 2-pack, so you get 2 for the price of 1, and they also include batteries for this, so you're ready to go with the packaging of this product. You don't have to purchase anything or do anything, so it's all ready to go as you receive it. You guys can see there's a few specifications, and then on this side there is more specifications and also the dimensions of this product. If you guys need to take a pause and read that, you guys can do so right now. And now what we're going to do is actually proceed to unbox this camping lantern. So all you need to do is open up this tab, pull back, and you guys can see we're greeted with 2 separate bags that have one individual camping lantern in each of them. So let's take out one of these bubble wrap bags. You guys can see I'm going to pull it out of this bag. I'm going to actually put this box off to the side. We do get included with 6 AA batteries that you guys can actually utilize with this camping lantern that the company has actually supplied. This is just the installation manual that will give you guys more specifications and details on how to actually get this lantern up and running and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is actually move this box off to the side so we have more space to work with. But yes, this is how this camping lantern looks like. So you guys can see we do get 2 hooks on the top that you guys can use to actually hang this from different surfaces and ceilings and stuff. And then also on the top right here, if you pull up, this is where you guys can see the LED light. So you can pull up and you can adjust what kind of light you want from this lantern. So if I just want, like, let's just say half light, I could stop right there and then just only get this little bit of light. But if I want like the 100% capacity, pull all the way up and you guys can see all of the lights would turn on. Let's actually collapse it for now. But honestly, right now what we're gonna do is actually move on to testing out these camping lanterns and giving a demonstration and seeing the overall brightness and also how effective these lights really are. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is actually take these batteries out. So let me just kind of open this up and we're going to put these batteries in. Now what we need to do is actually flip this onto the back side. This is where you put the batteries in. All you got to do is unscrew the back compartment of this lantern, take it off, take the batteries, put them, make sure you put them in correctly, because if you don't, they're not going to work. Take this, close it back up, and now this one's ready to go. And what I'm going to do is actually do the same thing with this one. So these two lanterns are now ready to go. And I forgot to mention how durable and also very sleek the design is. It's really portable and it's also very lightweight, but it's really durable. So, you know, if you have this in your packing gear or camping gear or in a storage spot that may get, you know, tossed around or kind of just all over the place, these are really durable. So I don't think they will, you know, experience any kind of damage. And in order to actually turn on this camping lantern, all you gotta do is pull up and the light actually automatically turns on. And you guys can see the light is on as I'm pulling it up, and I'll demonstrate this again on the primary camera angle. But you guys can see the light is very bright. There's so many LED lights with this. I'm not exactly sure what the number is, but you guys can see that this camping lantern is extremely bright. In fact, I think my camera's having a hard time kind of focusing on it. So all you need to do is pull up. You guys can see it just kind of pulls up just like that. And it is extremely bright. As I'm putting it onto my face right now, you guys can see it's kind of, you know, kind of getting the wall a lot wider and also a lot more nice. And it just looks really nice and presentable, and it's very bright. Let me tell you this, if I was using this outside or if it's pitch dark, this will cause me to see a decent amount of area. And then the great thing about having this collapsible is I can decrease the brightness. So if I don't want too much light coming off of this, all I gotta do is take it down, you know, take it down to my desired length. And if I want it at the extreme brightness, just put it up all the way, and bada bang, bada boo, you're ready. Same thing with this one. You could just pull it up and they both turn on and they're both ready to go. Alright, so I know you guys can't really see me, but what I just did was kind of dim my lights down. And you guys can see how bright these lanterns really are. They are filling up the wall behind me. And you guys can see it's doing a really effective and nice job of actually kind of lighting up the whole area. I'm not exactly sure how many lumens this is, but it is extremely bright. And you know, you guys can use this in dire situations where you don't have either a sufficient light or you don't have any light at all. So you can use this in those kind of situations and have, you know, just a nice and better view of whatever you're doing, depending on your situation. But what I'm going to do now is actually include a clip of me using these outside so you guys can see the full scope of how, you know, effective these lanterns really are. Currently we're outside. We're going to be testing out one of these survival camping lanterns. I know you guys can't see me, but now you guys can. And you guys can see how effective these camping lanterns really are. As I shine it, you guys can see it's basically covering all the way up to the distance of these fences. And I can say that these fences are at least maybe 50 feet away from me. And we could test out the second one too. All you gotta do is open it up just like that. And you guys can see now we got two of them, and it's really effective. If I was in a situation where I need lighting or sufficient lighting, I can use these to get a lot better focus and better view of whatever I'm doing outside. And these are honestly some survival lanterns that I recommend a lot of people should get into, because you never know when you're in a situation where you may need something like this. But right now what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about these camping lanterns, survival lanterns from the company Vont or Vont? these are honestly fantastic lights. If you are, you know, like I said, it's just always precautionary to have these things laying around. You never know what situation you're gonna be in. In fact, I recommend if you do get, you know, one of these packs, you know, maybe keep one in the car. You never know when you know, out traveling in the middle of nowhere and there's not any lights, and you know, maybe your car battery's dead. You know, if you have something like this around, at least you can, you know, walk around and see what's going on and be able to maybe walk on your car or whatever, you know. So I do recommend everybody should get something like this. You know, survival is really important. You just never know when that time may strike and you just, you know, have nothing to protect you or guide you or help you out with your potential situation. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. If you guys did enjoy, I would really appreciate it if you went down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this camping lantern, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. Make sure, you know, you leave a like if you did enjoy this video, as it just greatly informs me and it keeps me updated if you guys are still enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then also our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need photo assistance with this product, you guys can contact me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys want to check out this product information and also the link to purchase this product is down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information alongside with the link to make a purchase. I'm pretty sure they do sell a 1-pack, and they also sell a 2-pack, so if you're looking to just get a 1-pack or a 2-pack, I'll include those 2 links for you guys down below to check out. But anyways, that is gonna conclude this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.